morning, students. Now, subject grammar, topic degree of comparison, and in degree of comparison, we will be going to see superlative degree. From superlative, how you can change the degree into positive and comparative. That we are going to see. I am giving some questions. See. Look. First question is. The peacock is the most beautiful bird. Look, the peacock is the most beautiful bird. The peacock is the most beautiful bird. Now, peacock is compared with many other birds or other birds. Among those birds, peacock is the most beautiful. Most is the superlative degree. Beautiful is adjective. Now we can convert this sentence. It is superlative degree. It is superlative. We can convert this superlative because it is only compared with many others. The second, only one thing is given. One name of one person is given. One noun is given. Other noun is not given. It is in a group. So this can be converted into comparative as well as positive. First I convert into comparative, then into positive. This is superlative degree. As given superlative degree. I am converting this. What it is? We have to remove the most. Instead of this, the most, much more most. We have to write like this. So, the peacock is more beautiful bird. Peacock is more beautiful than compared with many other birds. So we have to write then any other bird. Look here. Peacock is more beautiful. Here more is comparatively, than is comparatively. It is compared with many other birds. That means among those birds, peacock is more beautiful than any other bird. This is the comparative series, comparative degree. Now, this can be converted into positive also. Yeah, see, it is positive form of a sentence. We have to convert this into positive degree, and we have to convert that into negation form. No other bird is so beautiful as peacock. Okay, this is positive. So whenever the superlative degree is given, it can be converted into positive and comparative. Okay, when this type of the statement is given, no other bird is so beautiful as peacock, it is positive degree. It can be converted into comparative and superlative. When comparative degree is given, the peacock is more beautiful than any other bird, it is comparative degree. It can be converted into superlative as well as positive degree. Now I am explaining second. This is the first statement I have done. Now I am explaining next. Okay, and you can see. Second question. What is the second question? Gold is the most precious metal. that is in superlative degree. Gold is most precious metal. Precious is one of the most. Precious is adjective. That means it is superlative degree. We can convert it into comparative as well as positive. First we compare this into positive comparative degree. We will convert it into comparative degree. So we write gold is more. We are removing this the most like this. Peacock is the most. Instead of the most we are writing more. We are instead of this the most we are writing more. Precious than any other metal comparative degree. Next, this can be converted into positive degree. How? Look here. Again, this is the positive form of the sentence. We have to convert it into negation. So we will write no other metal is so precious as gold. Positive degree. Is that clear? See, again. Gold is most precious metal. It is the most in superlative form. Here we are converting it to positive comparative degree. Gold is more precious than any other metal. More than, so it is comparative degree. So as positive degree. Whenever you are writing this the most, then you have to convert it into negation form. Okay, no other metal will be like here. It will come. Now third question. What is the third question? The Ganga is the longest river in India. Longest superlative degree. Okay. Now, next, what is it? See, the Ganga is the EST. That means longest, and whenever superlative degree is given, you have to write the article the. It is a superlative degree. We can convert this into comparative as well as positive. So I am writing this into comparative degree. The Ganga is longer than any other river in India. That means no other river is long as Ganga. Means Ganga is the longest river than any other river in India. Comparative degree. Next is, what is it? Next, we have to convert it into positive degree. Again, we will write no other river is so long as Ganga in India. Okay, you can write this way. Next question I am writing, which is question number 4. Okay, I am writing here. Question number 4. The bigger superlative degree, you can convert this into positive as well as comparative degree. I am writing it into and changing it into comparative. What is the first one? I am reading the question first. Yeah, toy got the biggest reward. Yeah, toy is one name of one person who is getting some reward. Which reward we don't know, but it is a sentence. Here is the name of a person. Yeah, toy got the biggest means superlative degree. Yeah, toy got the biggest. So we will convert it into positive degree. Got bigger, got bigger than. Bigger, what he got? He got bigger than any other reward. Yeah, I got bigger reward than any other. Then okay, this is the comparative degree. Okay, many times you can write like this also. Comparative, toy got bigger than any other. This is also comparative degree. Also, we are not converting this into the positive degree. You can convert and write the next question. What is the question? Rahul is the tallest boy in the class. He is the tallest. Is a superlative degree. So I am converting this into. See, Rahul is the tallest. Rahul is taller, is taller than. You have to write this than word. Okay? That is a comparative degree. Rahul is taller than any other boy in the class. Okay, we can convert this into comparative degree. This comparative we can convert into positive degree. No other boy is so tall as Rahul in the class. Okay, this is the positive degree. Okay, many times you can write this sentence like this: no other boy in the class is so tall as Rahul. Sometimes you can also write like this. You can. These are the extra sentences you can adjust according to you. This can be written as like this. See. Actually, this sentence can be written like this. This one, comparatively. No other boy in the class is so tall as Rahul. This is also positive degree. You can write like this. Okay, you can write according to yours, but the formation should be clear and it should be understood. Nenu chose the most interesting game. It is a superlative. Okay, you can convert this into positive also and comparative. So we'll write this. The new chose. We'll remove this the most more interesting than any other game. Okay, this is the comparative degree. More and than is coming, so it's comparative degree. Okay, now next question I am preparing, that is 7th one. And I am preparing 2 more questions. You have to go through this video. You have to write this question in your notebook. We will give you a test. You have to attend those tests. 7 questions. The eagle is one of the fastest birds. The eagle is one of the fastest bird. One of the and the fastest. This is a new concept for it. It is superlative degree. This can be converted into positive as well as comparative. So whenever one of the is given, see, we can convert this. It is easy to convert this type of the question into comparative. See how the eagle is fast, faster, faster. So we write faster. Then we have to write many other birds. Whenever one of the is given, we have to write many other. Whenever one of the word is given in superlative degree, in comparative you have to write many other. Okay? Now this can be converted into positive. So here again, in the previous sentence, we are writing no other in positive degree. Here, because one of the word is there, we are writing many other. Whenever one of the and many other is given, in positive degree, you don't have to write no other, you have to write very few. Very few words. One of the many other and very few. Very few is given, so you have to write many other comparatively. Very few word is given, so you have to write one of the word in superlative degree. This you have to learn. Okay. Very few words are as fast as eagle. Like this you have to write. What is the important in this type of the sentence? One of the many other and many. These are very important. See, this word, and this word. If one question is given to either superlative, positive, or comparative degree. From this, any one sentence is given, you will be asked to change the degree. You have to read the question properly. If it is positive degree is given, you can convert this positive into superlative as well as comparative. So you have to see if in a sentence very few word is given. If very few word is given, then you can convert this into comparative. When you are writing this, converting this sentence into comparative, you have to use this word very other. If you want to convert this positive degree into superlative, and if very few word is given, you have to write one of the before this adjective. When comparative degree is given, go through the sentence, read the first sentence, and if many other word is there in the sentence, you can convert this into superlative as well as positive. When you are converting this comparative sentence into superlative, and if it is many other word, you have to write one of the in superlative degree. And if you are converting into positive degree, and many other word is there, so you have to write very few in positive degree. This is important concept for you. You have to learn this. Okay, this is very important part of the sentence when you are converting this type of sentence. Now, 8 questions. Okay, Tom Sawyer. Tom Sawyer is also name of a person. Was one of the most mischievous boy. Yes, this one. Your boys. This will be plural form. That means what is it? There are many boys. Among those, Tom Sawyer is one of the mischievous boys. There are many boys. Among those, Eagle is the fastest. There are many other faster birds which can fly as fast as this eagle. There are many boys who are mischievous as Tom Sawyer, but among those, Tom Sawyer is also a mischievous boy. That we are showing. So we will write this plural word. Okay, this is superlative degree. Today's topic we are saying that we have to convert this. The sentence is given. Question is given in superlative degree form. From superlative degree, you are converting into positive as well as comparative. Today we are learning this only in this video. Now, what is this question? Tom Sawyer was. It is was in his past tense. Tom Sawyer was one of the. So will come. Okay, here one of the. Most mischievous boy. Now we are going to see how to convert this into positive degree as well as comparative. First we will see comparative degree. See, Tom Sawyer. Tom Sawyer is the name of a person. Was is the past tense, so we'll write Tom Sawyer was mischievous. You cannot convert this mischievous into mischievous or mischievous. You have to write mischievous, more mischievous, and most mischievous. Tom Sawyer was more mischievous. Tom Sawyer was more mischievous than many other boys. Okay, plural. Next question. We are converting this into positive degree. This is in comparative degree. Very few boys. Now it is a past tense. Boys is plural form, so we will convert this was into plural form, and past tense of the plural form of was is were. Very few boys were as mischievous. You don't have to write as so. Mischievous as. What is the name of a person here? Tom Sawyer. Full stop. This is positive degree and this is comparative degree. Okay, student, you have to go through this video thoroughly. You have to write this in your notebook, and if you have not followed, you can call us or give the message and explain you any type of the question anytime. Okay, student. Thank you.